Hello everybody. What's up? What's up? We just cut it. We'll do whatever. Hello. Hi. My name is Alistair Yates. I'm Cape Town on full on Instagram. I don't know why I'm doing this, but I'm gonna do it. So I found this camera. It's a Kodak Ektra, not Ektra 100. Basically, it's quite dirty, as you can see. Like, I'll give it a little bit of a clean, but as you can see, we are in the bush. We're in the Karoo National Park, Sabi. This thing takes 110mm film. I've never used one of these, so I thought, like, why not put some film in, buy some film. Shout out Cape Town Film Supply. Put some film in here, take some photos. I probably won't finish the roll while I'm here, but back in Cape Town, wherever that is, back in Cape Town, I will finish the roll. Cool. I hope you enjoyed the video.
Just trust me.
Oh wow. How cool is that? That's obviously where the negative is. And then it'll roll over. Okay, so I think we open it up here. This opens up. We literally just put it in. Lock it. Pop it. Load it. Yeah, one. Oh. Okay, so what's up? Welcome to post test camera shoot thing with Alistair Yates. Yeah, boy. I've never really done something like this before. I've watched a lot of YouTube in my life, so I've got a good idea of what people like, I suppose. Well, I've got a good idea of what I like. I don't know, and I don't really like what most people like. So yeah, I shot the Ektra 100. Very cool camera. Yeah, as you can see, I thought it was a very cool camera. Love the fact that I picked it up for 40 bucks. Got some really cool moments, as you'll see, as you saw in the video. This camera's more of like a little easy in the pockets. You know what I mean, in the pockets sort of thing. Don't have to worry about settings, worrying about it being overexposed, underexposed. Look, like obviously you can't shoot in low light situations because it's obviously like a piece of plastic and there's no flash. So yeah, I think it was really cool. I mean, I'm very stoked with the photos that I got. 110mm film, I'll definitely do it again. Go to a Joel or go on holiday, or I mean, if you love film, you love taking photos, I would definitely buy it or use it. If you come across one of these, do it, test it, try it out, see if you like it. And yeah, I mean, yeah, so I don't know as well if like I'm gonna be doing, I'll probably make more. I had a lot of fun making this video. Enjoyed it. So if you enjoyed it as well, you can like my video. You can dislike it. If you didn't like it, that's okay. Everyone's got their opinions. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't know what else to say. Enjoy your guys' Sunday. Enjoy your week. And yeah. Peace.